How to add languages to Translate app on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Want to add more languages to your iPhone Translate app? Here's how to do it in just a few simple steps. First, open the Translate app on your iPhone. Next, tap the languages button at the top of the screen and scroll through the list. Now, find the language you want and tap the download icon next to it. Once downloaded, the language will be available offline for instant translation. For example, if you want to translate English to Spanish, you can type it and it will change your language to Spanish in just a few seconds. And that's it. You are ready to translate anytime and anywhere. If you like this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.